stream it live on Facebook.
Just get a bit closer. Smile.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. I was just speaking to him.
You're speaking to me?
Yeah, it's sober as a judge, mate.
Oh, you come down it?
No, I walked down to the shop. We stood outside the shop.
It's going to the copper now. Hey, I hope he's got his taser out. He's got his taser out.
There you go. All over. Slow down, or are you going to run them over?
Yeah.
Hell, I thought it was.
I'm quite surprised you did slow down.
Yes, I've got all these coming down now.
Yeah. You can't walk about the town with an axe in your hand without
Terrorism, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean,
I
this
bought
is-
a plaster saw from that shop. I was, do you want a bag? No, I'll be fine. I was walking up the road thinking, actually, this is really stupid. I could be in a lot of trouble.
Pete's lad that phoned the police. Pete's lad was in the shop.
Wow.
Oh, well.
Made today, isn't it? Achieving not much.